Hello everyone, this is CGX and welcome to the 10 subscriber special. 10 to the power of 1 subscribers, actual unironic people who subscribe to my channel, and that makes me happy. Anyways, also this video is like completely unscripted in case it's not obvious, and I'm recording this over some just footage of me doing a thing in Blender. I'm pretty sure that I'm just gonna use just a completely uncut version of one of my other tutorials, but anyways, point is, tutorial requests. If anyone's watching this video and you're all like, hey, how do I do, how do I make Cheez-Its in Lux? Then please post that in the comments, because I'm gonna be looking at those, and just I'll take suggestions. I'll see what I can do. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much that. Don't really know what else to talk about. I think the Friday tutorial is just gonna be another Blender bit. I'm gonna try to make it something that's not too bad quality, but yeah. The next tutorial is gonna be freaking lit. Looks proper Lux tutorial is gonna be lit, but for now I'm probably gonna go with just a Blender bits tutorial. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. So I guess thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel, my subscribers. Tutorial requests, put them in the comments, I'll be reading them, and yeah, I'm gonna try to work on the other tutorials now, and that is about it. I'm CGX, stay epic, see ya lads.